While researchers acknowledge the uncertain history of these volcanoes' activity, they point to alarming trends. They noted the most volcanism in the world today happens in regions recently freed from glacial coverage, following the last ice age. Iceland and Alaska, both of which saw extensive ice loss, have experienced heightened volcanic activity. West Antarctica, where warming from climate change has already affected its ice sheets, may follow this pattern. Reduced ice cover could release pressure on the dormant volcanoes, leading to eruptions that further disrupt the ice sheets and enhance sea level rise.